Sir,
So it's matched with the operating profit.
yeah, it is matching right now.
Okay. Now what is the next step? You can hide this column A, because that we don't need from left side. Okay. Next is shown the salaries and wages and related charges. From where we took this figure now.
We have
Now
to go
you
in the
can,
notes. Most
yeah,
probably they are
yeah,
mentioning
yeah. Yes, you can make the screen big now for the PDF. Later on, we come the same setting.
okay.
From the top, you can click on the center button. Top right corner, the center one. The
Right.
minimize option is there, na? Next one.
Uh, uh,
Click here. Yeah.
no. Okay.
No, you didn't click over there, no, the center button.
Just one second. Just one second. Here.
No, top right corner.
Okay.
Second, next. The
Just one
box, no,
second.
the
Just
wrong
one.
box. The rectangle box. Okay,
One
you can
second.
open that.
Just one second. Just one second. Uh,
One is minimize of minus sign. Next center one is the
yeah.
maximize.
Exactly. I just did it.
Okay. So now hope you are taking us to the relevant part from where we can pull this detail.
Yes.
This figure normally shown in the admin and other operating expense. Go normally
Mhm.
down 15, 16 note somewhere. These are the accounting policies. Scroll down.
Yes. Is not going to-
Uh,
will become.
any other participant found the salaries notes?
Yes, sir. Here we have stop
Yeah.
loss in 7. So
Okay, so here is yeah. Operating no. Just stay there, stay there. We'll come up,
okay.
stay there.
Okay. One second.
Okay, here is saying the operating expenses and federal royalty. I appreciate if anybody else open the mic, please mute, except the Hasnan. So which figure we will take from here? Yes, Hasnan, would you please highlight which figure we'll take from here?
Yeah, for the staff, it will be, sir, the staff cost 5.2 million for the
Okay,
wages.
this is 5.2 million. Okay, then
For the wages, it will be coming, sir, only the one figure.
Okay. So would you please go down? Maybe they given another also for the because even the benefit will be part of the salaries and wages. Scroll down. See here, what we are doing, we have to go through whole financial. Maybe sometime they given the breakup in a different notes. Depends upon each
Okay.
entity operation and the reporting.
Okay.
Scroll down. Okay. Continue, continue. Here is not shown anything in this.
We are not mentioning, sir, uh, more detail regarding
No,
this.
that's fine. But as a part of exercise, we have to go through and understand the procedure, how we gonna do that. Okay.
Sir,
Here is only the mention on the note number 7 and the 5.2 million.
first,
Okay. Now you can make the two screen and take the figures.
okay.
Because sometimes they given the staff and salary one, medical insurance, end of service, and some other thing as a step by step separate. Because this is the listed company, that's why they have standard reporting. But in the market for the non-listed company, non-quoted company, so they don't have any standard reporting format. Each auditor he will put figure as per their own understanding. Now the next is the depreciation.
Yes. Depreciation is 5345183, and amortization is there. We can add it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
1967632.
Okay, so you can maybe scroll up and see in above note something is shown or no. Leave it as it is. Just keep, I think is visible, so we can continue in the same fashion.
Okay.
Yeah, it's more than enough.
Yeah. So,
Go up, down, we already seen go up. But here the important is that to read the financial. Depreciation amortization might be given in the direct cost and might be indirect cost only, or might be in both area. These are the policies. Come to the PLN. Okay, see here they mention as separately for the depreciation amortization. No.
no, they didn't mention anything.
Okay. Now if you go to the balance sheet, so depreciation is a coming from the PLN or from the balance sheet. Depreciation coming from the profit and loss and
PNS,
balance sheet.
from the PNS also.
I appreciate if you guys quickly reply what is the source of this. is shown in the PLN. So what is the first point of recording in the our books? Is PLN or balance sheet? We have almost 15 participants, but actively 3 or 4 they are responding. Guys, other participant is not active or something is wrong, or you are not able to communicate in the chat, some technical issue you are facing. And I appreciate if all the participants join from the laptop. Guys, quickly. Okay, see, if asset is recorded in the balance sheet, so from that asset will be depreciated and transferred to the PLN on the yearly basis over the life of the asset. So if we have to see, so might be the depreciation coming from the balance sheet over the period in the profit and loss. So origin, where is the recorded asset? In the balance sheet. So would you please check here the asset and then asset notes? Okay, the non-current asset, you might check the property, plant,
13,
equipment, note number 13.
13.
Then the
So 13.
because here we have to see any other the amortization part, maybe the 11 and 13.
Yes.
Any other? No. Go from 11. Okay. Uh, Hassan, would you read this? The depreciation charge for the current year?
Yes, sir. This is for the impairment, and that is 6.2. Sorry, that is basically for the total. It is 28.075 amortization and impairment for 2024.
So 28 million, yeah, 28 million.
Yes.
So here they
So
given the breakup, how become the 28 million from what are the area is coming from where this depreciation amortization are coming. Although this
yes,
is very comprehensive and more complex, this ET Salas Financial, they covered every part. But
yes,
here,
sir.
just focus on the information that we would like to extract from here. So one is the impairment. If you just explain one by one from this year, this column for this activity, this is the depreciation or amortization.
Yeah.
Start from the
So
goodwill.
for
Yeah.
yeah, sir, for the goodwill, the impairment losses are 1.2. Here they are mentioning it here, and for the licenses there is nothing. For the trade name there is nothing, and for the other as well there is nothing.
So then it is only 1.2 million, right?
Yeah, you know, there is a losses. So here they are charging for the year is 2.042 for license, for trade name, and for the others. These figures.
Okay, this is the 2 million below the 1.2 million. This is 3.4 million.
Yes.
But still, bottom is shown is the 28 million, something like that.
There is a acquisition and a disposal as well. So exchange gain difference loss is also there.
Yeah, yeah. So our
Yes,
what we need only the depreciation or amortization figures only.
amount. Correct. So,
Okay.
so what about this impairment losses? So do we need to calculate as well this one?
The impairment losses, the impairment is also relevant for us, but at this stage, I don't want to touch this because as I
Okay,
initially mentioned, we go one by one.
sure.
At what stage, under which scenario impairment will be relevant, then we will consider on that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, but in the beginning, we took the 7.3 million. Can you go back and check from which figure they were taken this 7 million?
Okay,
Because here the other figures are also coming, na? Acquisition and the disposal and the exchange.
correct.
So we have to match our figure. No, we have to go back the PLN from where we took these figures.
No,
There,
we actually we have took from the notes. It was
no, this
let
figure I think
me-
we taken from the profit
no
and loss.
no from profit and loss they are not just one second.
Uh,
Yes,
no, from where we took the salaries and
we
wages
have
from the
taken
same note.
yeah from salaries and wages from the
Yeah, that
salaries and
was
wages
the
we have taken
note number. Guys, what is the note number from where we took the figures? I believe is 9 operating and
7.
7.
So we have taken this 5.3 as a depreciation
Yeah,
and amortization 1.9
okay.
from here.
But do one thing and the same, take the screenshot of the same note number 7. Only the note number 7. Yeah. Come to the Excel. The next plus new, yeah, pay share. Okay. Now go back to the same previous sheet. We have 13 participants, but not all of them are active.
Then we should go to note 11.
And now, yeah, see note number 11. No,
Yes.
but note number 11 is the schedule, na? Ultimate, where
E-
they
ex-
reported, right?
Yes, that is a schedule for
Yeah,
amortization and depreciation.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
The schedule, how the figures are getting calculated. Here they already given the figures in the expense part. Now go back to the
Correct.
PLN. Okay. Now we took this salaries, wages, depreciation, fines and payment. See any thing regarding fines and payment? Here maybe not shown.
It is not showing.
Maybe share of uh, the Yes, here you can search, even you can search and find, but the original principle we will not understand.
Okay.
Okay, so uh, maybe you are known what we are going to discuss. So let's
Yes.
emphasize and understand from where we have to look into that. So even
Sure.
in the face is not shown the fines and penalty, so we have to go and see the notes. Okay,
Yes.
so it will be shown in the profit and loss as a expense. So here, if we see, because this is the more for the listed company is more advanced terms they are using over here also as well. So operating profit, finance and other income, finance and other cost. So let's go note number 8 and 9. From 8,
Eight and
and yeah.
and
So we'll see from onward. When we are doing practically in anything, so the same way we have to pull the data. Yeah, from here we can check one by one. Dividend income is there. No, they did not mention anything over here. Okay, you can go down and check. Okay, fine. Now you can make the zero because we did not find any information, assuming there is no fines and penalties. But we have to
okay.
ensure in our books is there any these figures are there or not.
Okay.
Okay. So now any other participant will continue from the here onward. Thank you, Hasnan.
Welcome.
Chat. Any other participant, please. I appreciate if any other participant. Umer, Umer, will you fix everything, or you can come up? Noman. Okay, he's using phone. Any other? Okay, Noman, please. Yes, Noman, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Do you hear me?
Yes, Noman, we can hear you.
The next is
I
FTA.
appreciate. Next person, be ready after this, Noman. Okay, Noman, come to the left side on Excel version and see what is the next field. Fines and penalty zero, donation. Would you
Just
please
a
check
minute.
the donation? So more likely there's no information for the donation.
I think so. Because I tried finding it, couldn't locate it.
Yeah, okay, let's make the 0.
Okay.
And what is the
Client
next?
client entertainment expense.
So let's try. See, we are working here, but you guys also search on your screen. If you found the information, please let us know also.
Should be coming in the note number 9. 7 or note number 9.
Yes, if can you make little scroll down this Excel file? Yeah. Okay, and reduce the width of the B and C as well. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, C as well. Okay. Now zoom 120, something like that for the Excel. More. Yeah, please. Hassan, you can unmute yourself.
Sir, there
Yes.
is one note in note 7. There is one line. Then operating expenses include 29.78 million related to social contribution. So that we can consider like
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Noman, would you please check this point?
in
What? Uh,
in note 7. There's once note's finished, then there is a line mentions there.
Which is the page number, Hassan?
Page number, it will be 46.
46.
Yeah, exactly.
Noman, if you can PDF window size, you can enlarge by dragging from left side. Yeah. No, just come on the left bar. It will be showing you the error. Come down. Yeah. Okay. And make little zoom, 110. Okay. Now it's readable. Under operating expense, 29 million social contribution made during the year. Now we have to see the social contribution. Any other note is there or no? Why? Because if we made the social contribution into any registered charity organization, then the treatment is different. If we did not found any information and we cannot trace that registered contribution made to the registered charity organization, then we will take the figure over here. So initially here they did not mention any other information. So currently we can take the 29.78 million, but subject either we can found the further information, if not, then we assume. There is no other text. Okay, write the figure in the Excel. Because still here we are not sure social contribution but we are assuming this is the donation they made.
Do you want me to write this 29 billion in donation?
Yeah. Here we are assuming no further information are available or found. So this we are considering as a donation. If we have the further information and supporting, then might be the treatment go other way around as well. I think here we are writing the last 3 digit we are not writing. All the figures are in the same fashion. So it will be 29,780. Yeah. Now, the client entitlement, I think you already said something previously, but below they mentioned the pay to federal royalty something also. Just go on the same page and below they mention something where we took this contribution social security. Under that additional one line is also there. Page number, I think, yeah. Scroll down. No, right, go up. Irtada, you referred it's 1%, but was there 1%? Regulatory expense include ICT can be paid by the. No, that is the regulatory expenses, not the social contribution. Would you please explain your point? Something. Guys, is the meeting asking the code or directly through the link you can join? Because some of the participants still asking for the code. I'm not sure.
You have to put the code.
Atif, would you please share the code? I think in the initial link is already there. Thank you, Atif. Okay, let's go back.
Shall we move on to the next other expenses?
Sorry, this client entertainment.
Client entertainment, we searched and found nothing there.
No, it may be just go to note number 8 or 7. It may be written in the yeah below the narration. Read the narration also. Text. Here they given the borrowing cost, taxation. Of course, it will not be more likely it not be because this is a listed company. So they don't have protocol in this fashion that commonly the non-listed company go. Okay, come back on the Excel and I think we can add the 0 over here also.
The next is other expenses.
Yeah. So now what is the other expenses? If you go the PL,
This is 1.3.
yeah, here will be the difference because what is other expense shown in uh, what do you call in the PL, it would not match with the return
Okay.
because from here we are extracting the data how the return is required and which element is return is required. We are putting over there, and balance figure will be other expenses. Like from 39 million, we took the salaries and wages, depreciation, and donation. So we will sum up minus 39 million. That will be other expenses. Hope this point is understood.
So if you could repeat this again. So,
See, FTA put the check on certain points because
okay.
although they have the our audited financial statement with them, but there is a certain point or the certain area where the more likely that there are chances people do the misrepresentation to avoid the taxation. What is that? What is one of the common is salaries and wages. How the people increase the salaries of their related party, connected person, and increase the expenses. So they want to ensure that this part. So that specifically they ask for this field. Then the depreciation amortization, another gray area or another management estimate area. Okay, this also they want to ensure a systematic way. So we are putting the figures, they have backend formula. The system will give the trigger based on this calculation, on these key information. Same like fines, they put some regulation on fines. So that's why they are asking as a self-assessment, if such information in your financial is there, please report over here. All other information, please report as a other expense. Because ultimate, we have to match our PL and the information in providing in the return PL. Now is clear?
Okay. Mm.
Okay, now come to the Excel and see down also there is a dividend received. We will come other expenses later on. First, see the
Yes,
dividend received is there. Dividend received is there. So please, so normally I'll okay, take this is you taken from no go no,
This is
don't take
coming
from the
from
cash
cash
flow.
flow. Yes, this is coming from cash flow.
No, don't
Do you
take
want
from
me to
cash flow.
verify this number from income statement as well?
Either take the figure from the income statement or the notes to the account.
Mhm.
Go to the income statement. If not found, then go to the notes to account. Just close the search. Go straight forward to the profit and loss first. Go to the profit and loss upper side. Always, once you finish one transaction, go back straight to the profit and loss. Profit and loss normally come on the first, third, fourth page.
I have taken the screenshot.
Uh,
So it says finance and other income.
okay,
Note.
okay,
So
okay.
there is a
Here is
dividend income here.
okay. See how much.
582
Take
million.
that. Yeah, yeah. You can take it and put over there. Now go down on Excel, Scroll down, check. Okay. Uh, I think now we can give the chance for somebody else. Thank you, Noman.
Thank you.
Any other participant? But keep doing this exercise parallel when we are doing this exercise. Any other participant, please? Any other participant, please? Yes, please, Ms. Zubaria. Yes, please. Would you please try to unmute yourself and share the screen, please? Yes, Ms. Zubaria, you can unmute yourself and share the screen. And one more thing, in case of Noman, we skipped. So I appreciate always when you come up, give the precise and the short introduction about yourself before starting that also. Not sure.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, please. Yes, you can share your screen and please.
Just is it okay?
I think in process. Yeah, please, please.
Okay, we were up to here.
Up to dividend,
Now
we are.
salaries, wages. Actually, I was trying to put these expenses, other expenses. So as you told, so we
Will
will
come.
minus
Other
all these.
expenses will come later on.
Okay.
No, let's that will be the later on. Once the specific information they're required, first we have to take out that information. The balancing figure will come later on. Okay, the next,
Okay. So
the dividend we already added over here. Below is shown the interest income and interest expense. Yes, Hasnan, please unmute.
interest income.
So there is one note in page 53, if you can open, investment in associate and joint venture. So there's figure mentioning there as a dividend received during the year. So can Zubaira, if she can check it there?
Page number 53.
53, yes.
Okay. Page number 53, bottom.
Page number
Which line?
53, and so note is 17, investment in associate and joint ventures.
That's
Yeah.
PDF page number is okay.
There's one line here mentioning dividend received.
Yeah, 1053.
Uh,
That's
of its all
Vodafone
associate.
and
One,
yeah,
one.
this is 1.5. Investment in associate and joint ventures. Movement in investment. This they are disclosing the movements.
No, investment in joint venture have the different treatment.
Yeah, that will be
But first of all, for
that
sure,
is
we have to
one
take
kind of
dividend.
yes. But let's see the how much is here. No such figure. Finance and other income they receive 2.7 and then finance and other cost because that should also be part of here in P&L. If we receive something, so we should also match these figures. So whatever the income is, it will be under 2.732. So finance and other costs will be 5.2. So it should not exceed beyond this.
No,
Right,
no.
sir?
No, this is not the dividend. You have to go to the relevant note,
Yeah.
then match with that. Go to the note number 8. Okay. Take the screenshot of this note number 17. Take the note screenshot and add in your Excel file. Then we will easily compare.
Okay.
Because why we are taking the screenshot, at the end we need this information again to calculate the balancing figures. I appreciate, hope other parties are also doing in the same way. Okay, now you go back note number, I think the 8 from where we took the first dividend figures.
I'll just take the P&L screenshot so it will be easy to move between the screens. Okay, now, yes, sir. Now the Excel one is. So dividend receives, should we remain this 582?
No. First go to the relevant note from where we took the 582, and we have to understand how they took the 582, because now we've seen another dividend also. No?
Yeah. So
This
this
is
is
non-company and
consolidated statement of changes and then
because here is shown
this
the
is
3, 4
53.
figures.
Sir, it
Hmm.
will be in
The
the
above one
note.
is for, this is for 2023 and below is for 2024. So this is the detail balance, how they are disclosing the dividends. And then there
Yeah,
will
but
be multiple
here they
notes.
mention the note number 38.
Yeah.
If you go to the
Then
note number
dividend
38,
income received from associate joint venture, it is 1.9501. And then that is,
now if we seen the dividend received and dividend paid, both are coming. But anyhow, let's keep on the dividend part. This is note number 38. One of the participant mentioned some page
yeah,
number
note
also.
number 38 is
Yeah.
where amount recognition as a distribution of equity holders.
No, just focus on 24. Just focus on 24.
Yeah, 24 is first interim dividend for the year 31st December 24, 0.415 per share. But there is
But
another relevant information related to that, that this is till July. An interim dividend per share was declared by the board director 31st July. It is just a declaration. They didn't give information that it's distributed or received or whatever. On 25th
no, but how much they
February, no,
record as a paid dividend paid?
no, this won't be dividend received information. This is only a declaration, and this will be
Okay.
declaration for 2025. So it is not relevant.
Okay. Let's again summarize our understanding what we are looking for. What exactly we
How
are
much
looking for?
total
At
dividend we received during the year?
24. Okay. So
Yeah,
this is declared, this is not received. So
yeah,
he's asking about how much we receive from another joint venture or the subsidiary, right?
yeah.
So
That
this is not
was
the relevant
mentioned
for
in.
us.
So here this is receivable. This is not a received. This is a balance sheet part. So it's not an income. This is receivable for the next year. And then movement in investment, that's only a moment. Here. Dividend received here during the year. 1st January was this and then the total. All associates. There is one information which shows like here and one also in cash flows. Dividend received.
Can you club all
Vodafone
together?
Mobile during the year. This is all associates they mentioned here. It's 1.5 for
Yeah,
2024.
yeah, 1.5, 1 million, then 400. These three figure, what is the total? See, the
Oh,
24
sir,
we
these
have to
three
calculate.
figures.
Yeah,
1.0, then 495, and then 242. So all total, I think they given this 1.5.
yeah.
For Vodafone Mobile. No, sorry, this is for 2024. We should not take this 2024 figure. So 24 only two figures. 1053 and 495. Because on top these are representing only 24 and here let me check how much is this.
I think it's given
Yeah,
then. Yeah,
1.5. Yes, sir. This is these two. Total is 1.54. So this is for 2024.
okay. This is investment in associate and joint venture. Okay, this is from investment and associate and joint venture. We receive 1.5, but there is another figure, the 582. Would
Yeah,
you
that
please
we
go
will
back?
search out. So how much that for 582? Now
Uh,
here is
no, not this,
dividend.
not this.
Yeah, 582. This is dividend paid to non-controlling interest. This is paid.
No, 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 then it's
From
not
where?
relevant. It's
From
not
where
relevant.
that one? Yeah, that is not paid.
These are paid. I think only this.
Dividend,
Yeah, this is again he's mentioned.
dividend income.
Yeah, here's the mention.
Yes, this is 582.
Okay, if he
Finance
mentioned
and other income, note number 11. Note number 8. Finance and other. So total they are stating that income for the finance in P&L, dividend income is 582. But in distribution it's showing 1.5.
so please
So mean
take
there
these
are
two.
additional.
Yeah, no, no, please take this screenshot and the other screenshot. Just now we took the figures.
Okay. So at least to reach later on. So where?
Yeah, these two. One is this. The other one just now we did the calculation. Investment and associate and joint venture. See here we are putting the screenshot on the same Excel file. This everybody have own choice, but normally what I do, I make the each tab separate and give the name of the each tab. And then we will do the calculation and we'll link with the financial from there. Okay, this no, this is movement. The other one, yeah,
Yeah,
this
that
one,
was.
this one,
This
this
is
one.
one.
Okay, now
Okay.
here, when we taking this figure from joint venture, now please go back to the balance sheet And balance sheet, because here the increase and decrease in investment, more likely this will be highlighting. Let's see what is the investment. Same note number, I think the 17, right?
This is note number 17, investment in association and joint ventures.
Okay, now see the last year is the 8.9 million, this year 22.4 million. There is an increase in investment. Okay, so now this increase from 8.9 million to 22 million, now we have to go and see the note. More likely it is the same note
Note
that we are,
number 17.
more likely the same note just now we seen.
This is note number 17, associates. Before it was 9, now it's increased to 22, then joint venture.
Here it mentioned the B, note number 17B. Where is 17B? Go to the
17B
17.
is this one, which we already taken this.
Now just
Moment
see
even.
the calculation from the 24, 8.9 million, then the 2.5 million result, share of result, note number 16. Can you go to the note number 16? What is this 2.4 million? Will you please go to the note number 16?
16 is this
Yeah.
one, sir. Associates, note number 17B. This is the one. Share of result of associate and joint venture.
Yeah, we have to understand now whether the result means this is the income they got from there. That what
Yeah, from
exactly we are trying to.
association.
So would you go back to the note number
Investment in association.
17? They must be written, given the description. Go read below the description. Here are the 16 below. This is fair value, goodwill, and intangible asset. And
Here, sir, there is no.
go to note number 16, disclosure, and read, go up.
Yeah, here are some associates they mentioned. That's how these associates.
Yeah, now we have to
Lot of
read this and understand how this 2.2 million is came up. More like if we see common understanding or common expectation, maybe this is the dividend what we or the profit share of the profit from these associates.
investment in associate and joint ventures. Share of result of associate and joint ventures.
So the share of result means this is the increase in fair value of the shares or the profit of those associate they are adding here in the investment.
So now, sir, what to do? This association. Is this belongs to anything? Because 582 we already considered this. So on this
Now that we
section,
can,
which one we have to take?
no, see, 582 is fine, that is we can take. But now this additional in dividend that also we have to report if is coming from the under equity method. Hope if you remember, I think in this session so far not discussed, but the previous session we discussed the equity method. So here the more likely this is the equity method we are considering. If they did the investment in the associate under equity method investment, so original investment, the profit from the associate will increase their investment. So the previous year is 8.9 million, this year is a 22. So we are assuming that or expecting that this increase or result share of result of associated joint venture 2.4 million is as a part of equity method that increasing their investment. So that's why I'm
But sir,
trying to
that will be a
understand.
balance. That will be a balance sheet. balance sheet item, if any investment or equity, it's didn't represent that this we receive any dividend or something on
The
from this.
impact, no, the impact in the taxation we have to address. So this is the only the reason. Okay, go back to the note number 17B. No, below where they shown the detailed breakup. Here. Okay, wait. So 2 point, let's assume this is the profit from the associate, then the 12 million addition during the year. Okay. Then the minus is dividend
Yeah,
received.
it could be that earlier the investment was this one in associate. So during the year they did 2.4. So total mean addition during the year they also added. So then they receive dividend fully on this much. Might be it is like that. So share of
Okay,
other
now,
company.
yeah, now here two figures are relevant, 2.4 million and then the dividend received 1.5 million. Okay, so which mean this 1.5 million is already shown somewhere. Okay, where is shown this 1.5 million? So just any other information shown in
1.5.
the other comprehensive income, okay, that will not be impacting. Okay, just put in another Excel sheet and we will do the calculation based on the assumption. We will understand the concept.
Okay.
Right
Here.
here, put same screenshot. Okay, now here write the investment under equity method. The concept that we're gonna understand the investment under equity method. Here you can write below the opening balance.
Here.
Another, yeah, no,
No.
below. So how much the opening figure is the 8.9 million something. The same screenshot is given. Okay.
Okay.
So now the below, the next is the share of the profit, the below the opening balance, share of the profit. Yeah. And we will not take the investment part for the time being because our calculation will be relevant here. Now below mention the dividend received. How much? The 1.5 million.
Actually, this is online module.
Okay. Now, no, don't do that calculation. Here only the
Okay.
relevant part is share of the profit 2.5 million and the dividend received only 1.5 million.
Okay.
Okay. Now the dividend received, would you please report or as part of the dividend? But first understand they already report include in the PL or no?
Actually, that was 582 total. So if I will minus 1.
So no, 580 total. Then they didn't include. So here we have to include. So
So
582
this
plus
is the okay. So this is addition to that.
it will be 1549. Yeah. So which means 582 minus this one. No.
This 582 inclusive of this or this 582 exclude.
This we
Mean if
yeah,
it's
this we have to understand. This we have to understand whether they reported in the same fashion. More likely, it would be reported in the same fashion. Yeah, in this way. Okay, now go back to the 582. If they given the breakup, we can understand the breakup. This 1549 is included over there or no?
But that breakup, I don't think so. It's mentioned there. Here is movement in investment 3 to 5 124. There is also, sir, joint in ventures, like same as association. Share of
No, just
result before it was
ignore,
10
ignore.
and
Just ignore because let's understand the basic concept and then we'll come up in detail later on. Let's understand the equity method. Where is this dividend? Would you please go to the
yeah,
PLN?
582
Yeah,
here.
no, this 582
But this
paid
is
to the
from
non-controlling interest. This is not received part.
mm,
But in other income is shown the 582 as a received. Dividend paid to non-controlling interest. Here is talk about the paid only. Would you please go back to the same note number 17 somewhere?
yeah, here dividend income is 582. That is under note number 8, where the declared dividend income is 582.
Yeah, but
But
the
further, this 582, it's
is not shown the
only
breakup.
because what we have seen only 582 in cash here, and there is no such breakup, only in cash flow.
But again, cash flow is the same how much they paid. But here is shown 582 the income received.
If 582 total dividend received, so mean this is inclusive of all dividends, because in
That is,
P&L total dividend received income will be added as a sum.
yes, 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 yes. Okay, now let's
So we
we
should
keep the
consider
understanding.
582 alone as a dividend. We
No,
can
no,
take in
582 is a total dividend received during
yeah.
the period.
So we should take here
Okay.
582, considering all is inclusive here.
Yes, yes. But why we did the other exercise that have the impact in the return, we have to give the breakup due to equity method. Okay. Because under equity method, their investment is increased because the share of the profit is a 2.4 million, but how much they receive? Only 1.5 million. Okay. So the balancing figure will be increase their share in the equity method investment. Yes, we assume just now one past statement. This is net. Yes, we are assuming in the same fashion. We are assuming in the same fashion, but we need the further information how much the relevant to the investment in associate or the equity method. Okay,
Then we have
now
to read all the notes and disclosures to
no,
reach that
let's
point.
assume no, let's yeah, actually that is the normal practice how we do and understand the information. But let's assume the 582 is the net figure received during the year.
Okay.
Okay, because
So next
our
we can
main
move forward
principal
with.
concept will be cleared over here.
Okay.
Okay, now
So
the
other
next,
non-operating revenue.
this I don't think so. So far, we have any specific figure, but next is the interest income.
So interest income is finance and other costs. It will be allocated, I think, here in
There
note
will
number
mention somewhere.
9.
Yeah. Note number. No, this is the policy. Just go to the disclosure part.
Note number 9. Here,
Yes, please.
interest on short-term borrowing is 2.8 and interest on other borrowing is 601. So total
Uh,
is
I suggest if you take the screenshot and put in another Excel sheet and make as a table. This is the finance cost only. Yeah. Okay.
here or in
Next,
front
next new
of
sheet,
here.
new sheet. Because we have to do the calculation. Don't put in this. Go to the next sheet. Next sheet.
Yeah, that's next sheet.
No,
No?
you put on the same
Hmm. No,
plus
this
sign.
is
Plus.
the dividend one where we were just, and this
No,
is
no.
a
We have to
calculation.
work on the dividend again.
So
Plus sign.
another
Plus
sheet.
sign. Yeah.
Okay.
Put the interest, and the previous one would be dividend. Okay. This is the
Okay. So now
now go
interest
back.
is
Yeah. Here's the as of now only the cost element, right? If you want, if you read one by one, we can understand or discuss if something is required. Then we will go to the next.
so that is 28666036 plus 601 597
I think total already given at the 5.2 million, something like that.
346. No, sir, that's a
No, this is a
this
tax.
is two amounts are only the interest amount. Remaining incentive investment hedge foreign
Uh,
exchange gain.
that is
That is
different.
other, yeah, other things. So these are two only for the interest. So
Okay.
total 346.
Okay. Here you write interest cost on the description left side. You can mention the interest cost. Make the commas 3.4 million. Okay. Now we have to check the interest income also. Below you can write the interest income, where you write the interest cost, below interest income. Yeah. Given the heading, net interest received during the year. Okay, now please search the interest income during the year we received.
Interest income. Let
Go
us
back.
go to the profit and loss if there is
Yeah.
such income. Finance and other income 2.7, note number 8. Might be here, note number 8. Interest on bank deposits and amortized cost investment 2.2.
Yeah, take the screenshot, put below that or above that on the same sheet. Oh, take the note numbers. Yeah. Put on the same sheet, interest one.
Actually, I will do like a bifurcation so later on we can understand which two figures we added here. So
Yeah, that's preferred. It's preferred.
I'm using online version, so might be Excel is not that
No,
much. Online Excel version.
no, this is that is cost. Okay, that is cost. Fine.
Okay. So now income.
With the cost, if
So
you
it's
can put the minus sign, with cost you can put the minus sign for understanding as a uh, okay. Now make the total
okay.
net below.
And now this is the net income, net interest.
Yeah. Yeah.
Net interest received. Okay, so I should write 1 to 5
No, wait, wait,
here.
wait, wait. Now, wait. Just go back. Now here, what we have to do right below test. Here is one test called interest capping rule. This is what we have to do.
Okay.
Below that, this right here, interest capping rule. Okay, now we're gonna take break for 15 minutes if the for the prayer and the coffee tea. And meanwhile, you guys have to let me know what is the interest capping rule.
Sir, I think better if we can close this interest capping rule 30% or whatever, because last class you give us, so we can close the interest, this working together. Now, because we have already done lot of working here
Okay,
for the interest. Yeah.
okay, this
So at
add
least
what is
one,
interest capping rules?
that is 30%
Everyone
or
appreciate your participation. Guys, appreciate your participation. Now we have to apply the interest capping rule. Please write here the interest capping rule. Yeah, here is Irtada is replied. Please write the same one they replied in the chat, copy paste. Hasnan and Irtada is we have to take higher of option A and B.
yeah, higher of this one.
Yeah. So now here the other important part, the adjusted EBITDA. 30% of the adjusted EBITDA. Right here, the calculation of the adjusted EBITDA.
30% of the adjusted EBITDA. So now earning before interest and taxes. Because this section will be interest and tax. So earning before that is 20 million. Right, sir? Because below will start the interest. So earning before interest and tax is 20 million here.
We have to reverse calculation.
From the PN.
Yeah, the profit and loss, operating profit, and then adjustment into the operating profit. And this is the 20 million is fine. Now, what are the adjustment to be? No, it would be below one, no? Profit before royalty and tax. The 17 million. We will start from there. No? And then we'll do
Okay,
the
so
adjustment. Then we'll do the adjustment because maybe some
we
cost that is
will
not.
minus Yes, we will minus the interest and
That may be already
5,
minus, we have to add back.
hmm,
Yeah, here we have to see now.
517. Yeah,
Check the note number
the
9.
8 and 9.
Yeah. So see if there are
We
any
have
element.
already taken here from note number 8 and note number 9. Sorry, this is note number 8, note 8, and this was note 9.
So because that cost already minus, we have to add back.
Yeah, so now we will add back this, and this is a deduction, or so we have minus this interest income.
Earning before interest and tax.
What about only, yeah, EBITDA? This is note 9. I'm just writing short form note 8 and note 9.
Yes, any other one? Would you please make your contribution?
Earning before interest.
One of the common elements. What is the common element so far we not taken?
Depreciation.
Yeah, yeah. Depreciation and amortization. Thank you, Tayyab. Thank you, Hasnan. Guys, please share the figures in the chat. Yes, Hasnan, 7.3.
This is total amortization and depreciation figure. Total of
Yes.
both? Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Could you please refer me note number so I will write so it will ease for future note? Note 7, thank you. Okay, so I'll add back this plus this. Yeah, so now this is gone before plus tax. Now it is before. Actually, we should add first depreciation and then interest. Anyhow, adjusted it. Yep. Adjusted a bit. Okay. So now we'll apply 30% of this.
Yeah.
Why not?
I appreciate all the participants doing parallel on their sheet also.
So 784, 5655.
If you make this column as a the column sign, I think it will be.
Sir, actually, I'm using online version.
No,
So,
even online, just select this full column and make the one time.
but
Yeah,
here, comma.
somebody can help us also.
Yeah.
below.
Because, but it should be with comma.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
But
No, it's
minus
fine.
something will be like this.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let's move
Okay.
on. Um,
So now this is 30% of
yeah,
adjusted beta.
yeah. This is the A. Now, what is the B?
B is the 12 million or something.
Yeah, right here. That's it. Okay, fine.
I think it's more. 12. 100,000 million. Yeah. 12 million.
Okay, just put beside 30% A and below put the yeah, minimum safe harbor.
Minimum slab or whatever.
So which one will
Whichever
take?
is higher, that is 12 million.
Yeah, so our interest is higher or lower?
Our interest is total 1.2, which is lower. So I mean it is allowed because we have up to 12 million.
Yes. Yeah. So this is the current interest expense is allowed, right?
Yeah.
So now go back and fill these figures.
Current expense fully allowed as
Yeah, now go back to the
less
Excel.
than. I will just bring it here. Okay. So what should do, sir? Now CT
Excel,
return?
yeah. But here we have to put the separate figures. Income separate, expense separate.
Interest income.
See here, the city return is asking, looking for separate figures in term of income and in term of the expense. So preferred if our accounting system have the same chart of account, so easily we can pull the figures.
Yep.
Here we don't have to
Interest.
put the minus because this is a return template. They already minus put the interest expenditure. By default, it will take in the calculation of the uh,
Okay. So it will auto minus it.
yeah. Here the participant saying something. Let's understand. Something is we are
So
missing.
we should take this income and expenditure which we have calculated or interest allowed one. If
No, that we did the test. The whatever
okay,
figure
that is
we are
only
putting is allowed.
okay. So this is only a test to consider
Yeah,
our this interest will be allowed or not. Okay,
yeah.
test.
If not allowed, then we will see. In figures are not. Yeah, here the figures we have to because in the return we are
Yeah,
yeah.
interest income is 2.2, which we calculated from which we taken from the note. So 2.2 and interest cost
No, here
was this two.
we will not write the complete figure because at there is a round off for the thousand.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah. This
double
is
two
the
one.
yeah.
Should I write double two one or
Let's check what is that. Yeah, 2210. This is the
double two
interest
one zero
income.
and then 3467?
Yeah. 3461.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Hi.
Yes, please say yes.
Yeah, actually, I want to say that in financial statement, due to short space, all figures are in thousands. We have to increase into multiply all figures by 1,000. When then we will reach the actual figure actually. If it is written in million, it is actually in billion. This is what I am saying.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now this one we already corrected. I'm not sure the salaries and wages we taken in the same parameters or no. More likely it
Salaries
would be
and
same
wages.
parameters.
Mm.
So all
Salary
interest
and
is not
wages,
allowed.
we can.
All interest is not allowed. Would you please let's go back and understand here the point more than 12 million. Yeah. There.
Actually, that is
Here some
100,000 million. Yeah, this is
let's
only 1 million.
do one thing. So everybody just add earlier the figures were taken in the round off. So let's remove the round off and add the 30 or the additional figures. This confusion will be resolved. This because now the interest test, but in principle, I think the interest test application we already understand. But here the point is that maybe due to calculation, this interest is on higher side. This is what I
So
understand from the.
maybe, yeah, maybe if we will add more three
Yes.
figures, more 30, so definitely it will be more. Example, so if
Yeah.
I will just add here,
So the our understanding is correct, but only the calculation may differ. May differ because some figure is round off, some is not round off based on that. Otherwise, the minimum slab also we have to round off to the 1,000. It will
yes,
be.
when we will do 12570
Can
41
you round off?
123, so
Would you
that
please check?
will be 100,000 million billion. So
Yeah,
it
yes,
it
yes.
increase. If we will, yeah. Then it will be definitely increase from 12 million. So this will not allowed.
No, now we have to take this 30% of EBITDA. That will be allowed. So how much the 30% of EBITDA? That figure may be increased now. So now the importance of
30% of
30%.
EBITDA, that will be
Yeah. So we have to do the recalculate the 30% of
17582
EBITDA
double 30123.
in the same parameters. So I think now the EBITDA is important. 30% of the EBITDA is important.
So sir, 30% will be because here I have to add
Yeah.
now three all figures up to 582 double 30123. 3467 double 3123 double 210 592 123.
There is another
And then
suggestion. Multiply all the figure with 1,000 in next column, and this will be updated.
So it's 18. 100,000 million billion.
So ultimate, the
It will
net
be in
interest
billions
already
then.
converted or no? Yeah, that is not converted yet. Somebody already did this multiplication. They converted into 1,000.
Yeah, here now. Yep.
Yeah.
So it is 100,000 million, 1 billion interest and adjusted EBITDA. So here again we have to do.
No, here the Hasnan given the figures.
No, here the figure will be
Still,
because this depreciation we have to do also.
Hasnan, you already updated the Excel sheet also? Okay. Hasnan, Ms. Baria, let's take from Hasnan. He already multiplied, so parallel we can update the figures. Hasnan, would you please share the screen if you already, and let's take the figure from there. Because still some difference is there, maybe some figure I think you already matched the figures. You already matched the figures. 26. So still if we see, it's fully allowed, still fully allowed. Because here the, no, 30%. Yeah, 30% is 7.8 and above is the 1.2. So still we are on the safer side. No, here the 12 million will not be
The
multiplied.
minimum
Yeah,
slab is,
it will not be changed.
yeah, here this will not change. My bad.
But on the still, we are on the safer side because 7.8
So
million versus 1.2 million.
whichever is higher, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll take
Yeah,
the
these
7.8
two.
million. So now everybody is agree that up to 7.8 million is allowed. Here is correct. Here is correct.
So we can take up to 7.8 billion. So our is
Billion.
only
1.2 billion only.
1.2 billion.
So guys, up to here, hope
So
we are
I'll
all
just
agree on this
write
calculation and understanding and working.
as 2745.
Okay, let's take the 15-minute break and we will come back and continue from here. See here, overall the concept or the calculation are the main elements that so far we covered in terms of the framework of the corporate tax. We are doing the exercise on that. But each topic have detailed understanding, detailed conceptual and legal implication. Of course, we will dive into that also. But let's have the practice for what we covered so far. So we're gonna take the break for 15 minutes and we'll come back. Thank you.
Okay.